This message is for MIT Professor Walter Levin, Professor Trotter, and Professor Bernstein said that I need to address you views. Professor Susskind, Mrs. Mr. Akermoff, and Miss Yellen's recent meeting. She was pretty specific about it. If I'm making Mr. Trotter and them uncomfortable. Mr. Levin, cesium-137, cesium, argon, arsenic, neptunium, nickel nitrate, ketamine, europorium, iridium, justifying berkelium, Newton's first versus third law, applying the direct equation, Newton's second law, samarium, helium, hemoglobin, argon, arsenic, magnesium oxidization, neptunium phosphate, europorium, uranium, iridium, justifying beryllium, bismuth, oxidization, lanthanide, arsenic, and a union tritium, union bismuth model, applying molybdenum, titanium, Hafner, and a water molecule extraction coefficient and iodine processes. We'll know that is the Graham-Teller effect and the Bose-Einstein application, justify Schwarzenegger's limit theory, and applying the Maxwell-Boltzmann and views of the Trotter, Suzuki, and the limit theory to bone marrow. We justify that as hyperequations in uranium-239 to 234, 237 to 232, plutonium-241 to 239, and then modeling it in the titanium nickel sulfate in application dimensional research analysis. If correct, a view to biotime, API of John, and CLRB, the cellular tech biopharmaceuticals, and view wonderments of thermopathology are identified in palladium nickel nitrate models. These would be the hypermolecular. I can walk it through a three-dimensional stage analysis, and then populational assessment wonderments. This was the wonderments of an organizational behavior major minor at a top 30 university for a bachelor's and a master's program being identified, or what would be a PhD in organizational behavior with a concentration in theoretical physics. This question is directed towards Walter Levin. I can validate 7 Nobel Prize winning physicists and biomedical physicists. Thank you, sir.